Adjustable keyboards have surged in popularity for their quality, comfort, and design. Parents are increasingly seeking the best folding picnic tables for kids that deliver durability, safety, and fun for little ones. This guide evaluates top products based on build quality, ease of folding/storage. List number: Costin Kids Picnic Table, 8-person kids outdoor table and chairs with foldable and adjustable umbrella. The Costin Kids Picnic Table is perfect for parties and family gatherings. It comfortably seats up to 8 children, thanks to its 4 sturdy benches and large tabletop. Made of premium PP material, it is both safe and durable for outdoor use, and the smooth edges prevent any accidental scratches. The foldable design ensures it can be stored easily, and the included adjustable umbrella provides essential shade on sunny days. Kids love its vibrant colors, while parents appreciate how easy it is to clean and assemble. List new. Step 2. Naturally Playful Kids Picnic Table with removable umbrella. Indoor-outdoor toys. Fit 6 children. The Step 2 Naturally Playful Kids Picnic Table combines practicality with charm. Designed to seat up to 6 children, this table features a natural, earthy design that blends well with any backyard or playroom. The sturdy plastic construction ensures durability and is easy to wipe clean after messy activities. It includes a removable umbrella to protect kids from harmful UV rays, and the benches are perfectly sized for toddlers and preschoolers. Unlike some tables, this one doesn't require tools for assembly. List 3. Flash Furniture Mindy Kids 5-piece set, folding square table and chair set for daycare and classrooms. The Flash Furniture Mindy Kids 5-piece set is ideal for indoor use in daycares, classrooms, or playrooms. This set includes a folding square table and 4 colorful chairs, designed for children ages 3 and up. The metal frame and vinyl-covered table surface are both durable and easy to clean, while the lightweight design makes it easy to fold. Store or transport. Parents and teachers appreciate its bright, cheerful colors and compact size, which keeps kids engaged in activities like drawing, puzzles, or snack time. List number: Honey Joy Kids Picnic Table, 8-person toddler outdoor table and chair set, 4 built-in benches, removable umbrella. The Honey Joy Kids Picnic Table is a spacious and sturdy outdoor set that can accommodate up to 8 children. Featuring 4 built-in benches and a large tabletop, this table is crafted from durable PP material that resists fading and cracking. The removable umbrella offers effective sun protection, while the rounded edges and smooth surfaces keep kids safe. Parents love how easy it is to set up and fold away when not in use. Its vibrant colors and ample seating make it perfect for birthday parties, picnics, and everyday play. List 5. Honey Joy Kids Picnic Table, outdoor wooden table and bench set, with removable cushions and umbrella. Striped fabric. For a more stylish and classic option, the Honey Joy Outdoor Wooden Kids Picnic Table delivers charm and comfort. Made of solid wood, it includes 2 benches with removable cushions for added comfort and a striped fabric umbrella for shade. The set's natural wood grain finish and striped design give it a timeless appeal, while the durable construction ensures it withstands outdoor conditions. Parents appreciate the thoughtful details, like the soft, washable cushions and easy-to-remove umbrella. Its compact size and aesthetic make it a great choice for patios.